Okay, welcome Priscilla. Over to you now.
Yeah. So now, okay. So today we will be discussing about how a will should be made. What are the properties which can be included in a will? First and foremost, as everyone know, in a will, immovable property can be included, and a movable property can also be included. But what the people does not know is they are generally not including a claim, a future rights, or a interest in the will. Now, what do we mean by claim? Whether shall I take in Hindi or English is okay?
या हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश यू कैन बोथ ट्यून अप नो प्रॉब्लम हिंदी में भी
Yeah,
बात कर
whatever
सकते
language is comfortable. I am more comfortable because there are some legal term which is people might not understand. What do you mean by claim? So I just asked. So generally, what the people think? Okay, I do have a immovable property. I will record it in my will. I have a movable property like jewelry or shares or debentures. I will record it in a will. Where the people do commit a, I mean, what the people never understand is a future rights. What do you mean by future rights? There are so many property where we would have not completed a transactions. In such a case, which in a future a rights or a interest will be created. So these are the properties which also, these are the rights or interest which you can also record in your will. Now, there are antiques. Antiques in the sense the every family will be having something which is a very emotional or very valuable for them. Even that can also be recorded in the will. Now, what is the difference between a will and the other document? The will is a document where it can be executed after the death of the testator. I will repeat it again. The will is the only document where it can which can be executed after the death of a person who made the document, that is known as testator. So if a will has to be changed, then what can be done? The testator can change a will as and when he feels necessary. Now in a will, first we know we have spoken about immovable property, second movable property, third future rights, future claims or interest, then also about the elder antiques which can be recorded in the will. Now who can make a will? Can I have at least one answer in a chat so that people are a bit interactive? Who can make a will? Whether any person who
Anybody
is
above
of a
18?
sound mind can make a will. Yes, 1 or 2% can interact so that it does not go a bit boring. So anybody above 18 can make a will. Whether a mentally retarded person can make a will? A person who is having a lot of property, but he is mental. He's not having a judgment of what he's doing. Can he make a will?
No, he cannot make. He cannot make a will. He cannot make a will.
No, he cannot make a will, because why I am explaining is there are elderly people who are, I mean, who are above certain age. They don't have an understanding, and there are bills which has come because with such kind of senior citizens, and which got challenged. So it is very necessary whenever you make a will, you should have a doctor's certificate certifying that a person is of sound mind and he is in a condition. They should be only certifying that he is of a sound mind, so that when a will is made, it is not under a challenge. Now, there are people who are of sound mind for some time, and sometime they under the mental retardation, or there's some disturbance.
Please, can everybody mute themselves?
Yeah. So there are times when the people are, sometimes they are of sound mind, sometimes they are not of sound mind. A same person. So can such person can make a will?
Can you please repeat the question?
Yes. Yeah, if a person is of a sound mind and sometime he becomes mentally ill or he become of unsound mind, the same person, can that person make a will? Yes or no?
No.
Yes.
He can make a will.
Okay.
He can make a
Yes, he
will
can.
when he is of a sound mind, when he is under a certain condition of understanding what he is doing, then he can make a will. That means a law does not totally reject a person who is even of a unsound mind. It is just known as the in an interval they can understand certain things. So you can make a will at that point of time, but it is compulsory that there should be a certifications from the doctor. Whether a minor can make a will.
No, minor cannot make a will.
No.
Yes.
So he has to
Minor.
appoint a trustee and then make a will. Something like that, yeah.
As you
Above
just
18.
mentioned earlier, Priscilla ma'am,
Above
it's
18.
anyone above 18 years.
You're on silent.
I think she got locked out.
Hello.
She's back. Yeah.
Yeah. So minor cannot make a will. But if minor has no one to look after, or if a minor has a lot of property, so who can make a will on behalf of him?
A guardian.
Yes. So why I am only asking a query so that people do understand that who can make a will. Now I'll ask you one more question: whether a criminal can make a will?
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So
Why?
here
Because
the
he is of
criminal
sound
also
mind.
can. No, yeah, he's of sound mind. The criminal can make a will. Many of them think once they are in behind the bar or they are bad or the court has convicted them, that does not debar a criminal from making a will because he has his personal rights over the property. So yes, criminal can make a will. If a murderer, if someone has murdered someone, he cannot make, that he cannot get a property of a that will has been made. So I hope that who can make a will is been understood by all of you, most probably.
Yes.
Whether a woman can make a will.
Yes.
Whether,
Yes, of
okay.
course.
Whether a woman can, yeah. So whether a woman can make a will of an ancestor.
Offer?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. Any other answer?
I didn't get your
Anyway,
question. Can a woman make a will
whether a
of?
woman can make a will of her ancestral property.
Yes.
Woman can make a will of her ancestral property only to the extent
Of a
of a share which belongs to her. I hope people
Yeah.
understood.
yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Yeah. So these are the basic factor because many of them when they make a will, they include any kind of property which might not be legally viable or it becomes difficult in executing. So one has to clearly understand that who are the person who can make a will and how much, what is the portion of property of which they can make a will. Now, what all can be made, what all can be given in a will? As I said, movable property, immovable property, and rights and claims. But people generally, when they make a will, or the people who are a beneficiary, they are always under a belief, I have to get a property. But in a will, you can even write a liability upon a person, which people are not aware. So it is always not necessary. Now, don't. Sometimes it can be used a negative way, but the truth is, people generally believe that only a beneficiary, only a benefit can be taken in a will. Not at all necessary. If presume, for example, a house is under a loan or under a banking loan, and the testator would have paid a 50% of a payment, and the 50% is still pending. when he is making a will, he can write the rest of the payment will be paid by the beneficiary and he can get the property. So what the testator has transferred here is not only a property, but also a liability upon the property. So there are, like, someone can make a will of a statutory dues which is pending upon the property, a property taxes, or any kind of the court orders, court decrees, where not necessary a beneficiary will only get a profit. If it is a liability, then they have to pay that liability to acquire or take the property through a will. I hope up till here the things are clear.
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
now regarding the liabilities, if presume you have a property worth of 1 crore and the liability is of 2 crore, what you can do at the most?
Sell off the property and cover it.
No, not the liabilities of 2 crore now.
Partially
So either
can
it
be.
is upon the, it depends. It totally depends upon the beneficiary. So there are a terms which is always not necessary, as the people feel that one should take a benefit or one should always get a profit out of the will. There are liabilities which can also come, or when you want to give a property to the next generations, and if you feel there are liabilities, there are certain arrangement has to be made, certain payment has to be made, you can definitely make a conditional will. A will be upon a condition that if this condition is satisfied, this property can be enjoyed by so and so beneficiary. So there are a will which are conditional will. You can always make a conditional will, which will be where the property will be transacted, will be given to a beneficiary on a certain conditions. I hope up till here it is clear.
Yes.
Yeah. Now I will tell you about the joint will. What do we mean by joint will? There are husband and wife will always feel that if any one person expire, the other should enjoy the benefit of a husband or a wife. I mean, both has to enjoy. If whoever dies earlier, the other person has to enjoy the benefit of their spouse. So at this case, and at such a case, there is always generally a joint will where both the husband and wife come together and make a will. And they generally write, if I die or predecease my wife, then the property will be enjoyed whoever is surviving. So this is a case where in a joint will, both the party generally will give a property to the next generation or to the beneficiary after the death of both of them. This is one kind of arrangement which law provides for a husband and wife. And after the death of a husband and wife, the property can be transacted to the beneficiary. So up till here it is clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Because why I'm not explaining any kind of a law. I'm generally explaining what are the difficulties which generally people faces while making, or what are the mistakes they do. So husband feel I also have to draft a one separate will. Then wife feel I should also draft a one separate will. When it get executed among the beneficiary, it become more complicated, more messy, and people don't understand how to settle the properties. And sometime when husband and wife make a separate will, there is also a possibility of including a new terms or some new kind of conditions. So the joint will is always a best will for a husband and wife to make, so that there is no problem even after the death of a husband and wife. So husband and wife can always think of a joint will. So don't go much on the separate will, it's not necessary, it might create a confusion for the beneficiary. Now I'll come to the attesting witness. How many witnesses do a will require?
Two.
2.
If there is more than 2, then what will be the status of the will? If there are more witness, more than two.
No problem. No problem, I think.
If there is less than two,
I think it's minimum 2 required.
Yes,
yeah.
minimum
If it is
2.
less than two, if
I don't
there
think
is
then
only
that
one
will be what you say, taken into account, or it's a valid will.
if the will become invalid, if there is one witness.
It's null and
The
void.
two, yeah. So the two witness is utmost compulsory. If the witness is of unsound mind, and if it is proved that the witness who signed on a will is of unsound mind, what is the status of the will?
Invalid.
Invalid.
Invalid. And if the if one more thing which I have because of this COVID, I would like to even inform about one more thing, because every time people have that isolation problem or a virus issues, which has recently, COVID, there's been a lot of people who are not able to meet the testator. In such circumstances, if a will has to be made and attested by the attesting witness, and the person is under a COVID or some kind of a such kind of sickness or a problem, then how a attesting witness can attest the will? Any answer to that?
You can
So,
appoint
and
an
such
advocate.
circumstances, when a testator is in a isolation, the attesting witness through a email or someone can say that I witnessed to this, either through a email or through some mode or some source, so that there is a witness to that effect. It can be through email or do something which can add a value, and a will formalities can be completed. This I'm specifically explaining because of the problem of isolation. So what is more important is, when a will has to be attested, the attesting witness has to see a person who is signing the will. I hope this part is clear.
Yes.
Now, whether a beneficiary can be a witness.
No.
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 Very good. You really know a lot. So beneficiary cannot be a witness. The witness has to be independent, so that whenever there is a problem, at least the witness will be the only person who can come and who can explain what has happened at that moment when the will is being signed by the testator. So witness has to be independent. Whether the how much of them knows the meaning of executor in this, in a will?
Yeah.
Anyone know whom do you mean by executor?
He helps to
Who will
execute the
execute the
will.
will?
He helps to execute the
One
will.
who will execute the will. So it is
Yes.
always better, whoever you are naming as the executor, always make them a bit younger person, so that when anything happens to the testator, there is a person who can execute a will. Even I would like to advise the attesting witness, whoever is a witness to that will, even they should be a younger person. Don't, if you are a 60-year-old, then don't call a attesting witness of a 70-year-old person. Then he will go before he witnessing you, you have to witness him. So always be very careful. It's all a small thing. I'm not getting into a legal technicalities, but these are the mistakes which generally people does. If the executor are very elderly people, the will does not get executed. It becomes a difficulty within a family to get the will executed and to distribute the property. So first of all, executor should be a person who is supporting you, who is ready to go to the court, apply for the probate or all the necessary actions he has to initiate. You have to see that they are well educated, they are smart enough to handle your all your legal issues, or the handle of family distributions, whatever it is. But the executor has to be a person of some caliber. You can't be emotional that I like, this is my friend, I like this friend, so I've just put him name as an executor. Yeah.
Ma'am, one
If
question.
Anyone has a question?
If the
One
executor
question.
dies, can he name be changed? How to change that?
It is, I will suggest you, it is better to go to execute.
Better to?
But if the executor dies, okay, if the executor dies, that means the will still can be go to court, but that will be a letter of administration with the will. You cannot do a probate, but your will not be rejected or neglected or ignored by the court of law. So don't worry. The law has already has, I think there's some only few minutes left. However,
Can the witness and
let me see.
executor be the same person?
Don't do it. It will create a confusion. Because if the executor don't want to execute, at least you have a witness who can come and witness certain thing. So don't, I mean, when you make a will, you should not at all be lazy.
Will you be
Very well.
covering
Everything
the
will be
topic of
a
registration?
separate person. Yes,
Will
as
you
far
be
as
covering the
registration
topic
is
of
concerned,
registration?
as far as registration of a will is concerned, it is not compulsory. But it is the best mode. You have to register a will. Not you have to, it is better to register a will because it becomes less challengeable. But if the will is not registered, still it has its own value. The value will be carried. The court will make it, I mean, the court will take a necessary action and probate the will. That is not at all a problem. But registering a will is always more better than a will without a registration. Any queries?
Madam,
Ma'am, I have a
is
small
it,
doubt. Will
probate
is
is a
different from a deed, right?
compulsory process?
Yes?
Is it probate is a compulsory process?
Yes.
Hmm?
Because in a will,
And the
it
deed
is
are
only a
different, no,
wish
ma'am?
of, it is only a wish of a testator. But the transferring of a title, there are so many other aspects. It has to be legally complied and covered, which an authority has to authenticate your will.
So probate is compulsory.
Yes. Any other queries? Yes.
Meeting will go on.
Yes.
Okay.
Any other, any other queries?
Ma'am, how is the probate done? You have to go to court. This is to be
That's a
done with the
lengthy
help
process,
of a.
madam. That's a court process. Yeah, that's a lengthy process, and we will not get into that process. That's a different. I mean, that's a different web. I made this session because the people has to understand the document of a will. Probate is between the court and the advocate, and lot of processes there. So we will not get into it. Probate is compulsory. Next. If you don't have query, I'll go on with the topic. That's not an issue. But I want the people to ask a query so that I am able to answer them immediately, whatever they have in their mind.
Sorry, you said probate is compulsory. That means what? The will has to be probated.
Yes, yes, yes.
But without
Through a
probation, it
court,
will not
see,
be a
I'll tell
valid
you
will.
why. I'll tell you something. A will is the first you have to understand. A will is made by a testator. Presume he transfers the property through a will. Whether will is a document to create a title? No.
No.
It is only a wish of the testator. Yeah, I want to transact this property to this particular beneficiary. So there has to be authority who has to authenticate your will, which the court of that particular place will do it. So though people feel it's a tedious process, but that is a very valid process where the authority will certify your will.
Normally
So
people
that is
don't
why
go
the
to the
probate is
probate.
compulsory. I mean,
Sorry, normally people don't go to the probate because the probate charges are very high. Normally, it goes to the ratio of your
See, that
property.
is all that's all is not this here the topic. We are on a will and how to make a will. That is
Okay.
their personal issues whether they go for probate or not. Law is a law. So we are here to speak on the law. So now I will take one more. Any other query? 1 minute. Huh? Yeah, any other query? Yeah. Hello?
Yeah, you are requested to ask the question. Hello.
Yeah, please
Audience.
ask as many questions. Then I will explain you for some time and I'll close it because I want people to ask a question so that when they make a will, there is no confusion. They have they have enough of knowledge when they make a will, because what do happens is once a will is made and thereafter nothing can be done, and because of small mistake will become invalid, or beneficiary are unable to enjoy the properties, or the
It's
will is
okay,
not
madam.
able to be
Hello,
distributed.
hello,
Yeah,
hello.
yeah,
No, what I'm
yeah.
asking is, if somebody raised, what is the probate? What probate? We are not asking you the total process of probate, but what exactly is probate? Can you
Probate
briefly tell?
is
And if there is, yeah, and there
probate
is,
is when a will is made. When a will is made, then we have to go to the court. The court will authenticate your will. They will certify your will, and as per the will, the property can be distributed.
and there's somebody also raised.
Because
Yeah,
when
somebody also raised, if there is
yeah,
there is a proportion of your property involved in probating, like a percentage of your property, is it required to be spent on probation? Can you please tell that?
yeah, can you come again on that?
Yeah, suppose I want, my property is 1 crore. When I'm going for a
Huh.
probation, do I have to spend a portion, like say 10% of my total property or
No,
5%?
no.
That's what I was.
There is a court fees. There is a court fees. So don't think the court is not. See, understand, the court is not here to make a money out of it. There is a court fees which is approximate 75,000 rupees. It's an official court fees which has to be paid, and the probate process will go on.
So that's irrespective of
So
your size
there
of the
is no,
property.
it is not a stamp duty. It is not a stamp duty. It's a court fee. So every matter which you file in the court, there is something called as a court fees, which the court will take.
Okay,
I
so
have
so
two.
that
So
means
don't
have-
so
worry.
that means
Yeah.
the 75,000 is irrespective of your property size, whether it's 1 crore or 10 crores
Yes,
or 50
yes.
crores.
Even if it's 100 crore, the court fees will be the same.
Okay, so even if it is 1 lakh rupees, your property, you have to spend 75,000 for probation, right?
If the property value is less, then it depends. But generally nowadays there's no 1 lakh property which comes to the court.
I'm just taking a
Yeah,
I'm just taking a case.
I will not actually comment on that aspect. Let me
Okay.
be very frank.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
But
Thanks.
yeah, 75,000 is for any is for the will. It's generally a court fee. It might be bit more, bit here and there. That depends. But then that is not a very large sum, and the
Madam.
court fees is taken by the court.
Ma'am,
have
I have
one
few
question.
questions.
Yeah.
I
One
have
question
one
is
question.
whether probation and registration are the same or they are different.
No, it is different. Registration of a will is done when you make a will. You go to the sub registrar. You register your will. Like you're registering the property document. The probate will be done. The probate will be done after the death of a person who made a will. It will be applied in the court, and court will certify the will. I hope I answered your query.
Can you just
I
come
have a
in on that,
query.
please?
Yes.
Hello,
Hi, ma'am. I have a
madam.
query.
Madam, is there any specific form? Sorry, is there any specific format of the will?
Format, it
Decision,
is
madam, you can
always
go ahead.
better
Decision,
independently
madam, you can
draft
ask the
your will.
question.
Yeah, 1 minute. Regarding as far as format is concerned, there is no. It is better to draft your will individually as per your personal need, not good format, because everyone has their own way, a different property, and the distributions are different. So it is better to get the will drafted at an individual level. Yes, anyone else
Yes,
has a query?
I have a query. If a man dies interstate, can his wife will his property to their children?
Yes.
Hello?
If a man
Yes.
dies interstate, yes,
Yes.
if a man dies interstate, the property will go to their children.
Okay, so the wife
You
can,
have
let's
to
say he
apply
hasn't made a will.
In a Mumbai, yeah, come again.
Let's say the man hasn't made a will.
Hello.
So can his wife make the will on their property?
Yes.
Yes.
The wife
It's
can make
ancestral.
a will of her property, of her share, of her property. In
Of
a
her
will,
share
you
of
cannot make a will. You cannot make a will of anyone property. You have to make a will of your property.
No, but the man died, like their husband and wife, and let's say their kids
Even
get the property.
see what happens is when even if you are an husband and wife, the
Right.
shares, if it is different, then the share has to be transferred.
Okay,
It
okay.
automatically does not get transferred.
Okay,
But this
fair enough.
question is a very right question. Many of them are under a confusion. It's just a
Yes,
husband, so why not? I am his wife.
yes,
It's not like.
exactly. Yes. Thank you so much.
Yes. Any other question?
Yeah, ma'am, I have a question. Generally, it is said that when we make a will, we should not share it with our children. It should be, shared later. I mean, when we are not there. So how far is it true? Okay, matlab, it's a general perception that if the children come to know that this much property is what they will be getting, they may not, work for their whatever they are capable of. I mean, they may go into their own comfort zone.
As far as your query is concerned, it is not a legal query. However,
Yeah, it's a general query. Yeah,
it's a general query whether the children should be known
should know.
of your
Yeah,
will. It totally
beforehand.
depends. It totally depends upon the family and the comfort level between the parents and their children.
The kids. Okay.
So yeah, so I cannot make any comment on it because tomorrow someone will show a will and he'll say, "Okay, vakil ne bola tha." I don't want to get it.
No, I'm
It
just
depends.
generally
Totally.
asking. Yeah.
It
I think
totally
now we have
depends
only
within the
2-3
family
minutes.
comfort
We
level.
have we have 2-3 minutes. Any last question?
Ma'am, I have one query. So basically, all the wills that are registered after the testator dies, that will has to go through the probate.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
It can't be just opened up among all the children or something like that.
Will can be opened, but it has to be executed. So you have to go for a probate.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, will आप लोग पढ़ सकते. You can open a will, but then that will has to be executed. It has to have authenticity, because the person who made a will has already
Correct.
died. So there are certain process which has to be
Okay.
complied, and it has to be complied through a court, so that the will get a, I can say the will get a life into it.
Okay.
Thank you, madam.
Yes. Any
Thank
query?
you, Priscilla, madam.
Yes.
It was really.
Yeah, I will just give you two input last. One is nomination, and because generally people nominate, and nowadays it is believed that nomination, you are not a fully become a owner. You will be like a caretaker. You are a caretaker. So this is one thing, and yeah, that's it. So generally people believe that I'll just nominate and I'll go. So nowadays it's not like that. You become a caretaker of a property. If the legal heir comes and claim the property, then in that case, it has to be given or it has to be contested, whatever way that particular matter need.
I have just one
So I
question.
hope all the queries has been answered.
One question. If
Yes.
some kind of consultation is required on this matter, where can we approach you?
The phone number is given. You can.
I'm at.
Where are you located
Phone number
in?
is already.
Are you located in Mumbai?
It's a recorded video. I am located in Mumbai.
And where in Mumbai?
Yeah, you talk to
Goregaon.
them later. Don't worry, we'll give the number.
Yeah, that you talk them personally.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
The Subhash number is given. Thank you, Priscilla. It was very nice and insightful into this will and all these nominations. So it's a very long topic, but any specific things, people can connect with Subhash and Priscilla in future, and we'll keep continuing doing these activities. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks for your time.